USDC recovering right now, bratans. Our trade worked perfectly out. We bought some USDT at 90 cents. What are the next steps right now? Where is Bitcoin going? And I want to speak about two altcoins which I'm buying right now and which got hit hard. So let us quickly watch here. Right now, as I expected, USDC is recovering. We bought it here at around 90 cent, and right now we are already, wait a minute, I show you in the Telegram group, because this is where I showed you also that I'm buying here. I showed you convert some of my USDT to USDC and made 10% a profit, expecting USDC to recover. So it's right now already 8% up, 8.6%. However, this is very risky, bratans, and I sold also a lot of Ethereum and Bitcoin in USDC to make their profits, because here, as you see, for example, Ethereum was at $1,430 in USDT and USDC $1,587. Not only this, also Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin was traded in USDC at $20,231. This also, I sold some of my Bitcoin, right? And why I did it, again, let us quickly watch. So because we see right now Bitcoin also pumping at 20,700. This is also as expected. We are retesting right now here our 20 moving average, and obviously, as I told you here, we could see Bitcoin going even higher. I mean, I wouldn't long right now. The long opportunity was down here when I told you, when we were heavily oversold, this 4.7%. Congratulations if you took here the trade. Yes, we could see here some more upside to our daily support, weekly resistance. It was a weekly support, so it's 1.8%, or even to this 50 moving average, to this green line, it's to 21,500, but I wouldn't long right now. I mean, do what you think. In my opinion, right now it's too risky, because we changed the trend, and I'm expecting that we are getting here rejected the weekly resistance, or latest at the daily resistance 21,700. So if you are in a short right now, make sure your stop loss above 21,700. In case we are closing above 21,700, we are changing the trend again and moving again bullish. But I don't expect it. And why I don't expect it, I explain you, because we saw Silvergate bankruptcy, we saw the Silicon Valley Bank bankruptcy, and there will follow other banks or other big projects which will go to toilet. This I expecting happen next week, so we will see, in my opinion, Bitcoin more dumping right now. Why also? I mean, technically speaking, we changed the trend, and technically speaking, we didn't reach right now our price tag, because our price tag is 18,380 or 18,400, and this would be a perfect match with the news, because we have also consider always the news. So we could here see some pump to the weekly or even daily resistance today or Sunday evening, and then see next week this dump to 18,400, right? It would perfectly match also with the news, because we are expecting here further domino effect of Silvergate and Silicon Valley Bank, right? So what I'm doing here, maybe if we are touching here the weekly resistance or the daily resistance, I will open a short, or maybe I will open right now also short. I don't know right now. I mean, if we are open here right now a short and set stop loss above the daily, and set our price target at around, let's say, 18,500, 1.6 is okay, risk reward. If we set our price target 17,200, 2.6 risk reward, this is much better. But I would take some of profits at 18,500. Not a financial advice. Do your own research. Very important to have your stop loss maybe even above the 22K to be safe, right? What I'm doing, maybe I'm jumping here into short, but what I'm right now even more concentrating is to open a long here at 18,400 approximately, with stop loss below our monthly support, so it's 17K or even 16,800, and add to my position also to my long limit order at 17,200, 17,100 long position. So at 18,400 to open a long, and to open a long at 17,200, 100 with stop loss below 16,000 16,800. It would look like, I mean, let us watch, it would look like here with stop loss below 16,800 with the take profit area at around our monthly resistance at 26k, around, let's say here 26k. This would be risk reward of 4.5. This is amazing, right? But then we have to watch or wait until we are dumping further. And also it perfectly if VRVP, if we are opening right now, I remember it again. So if we are opening the VRVP, wait a minute, I have to close here one of this one we don't need. We see also it perfectly matches the monthly support matches perfectly with this volume. You see volume, a lot of volume coming at 17,170, 17,000. So I expecting here that we are going maximum see dump to 17,000. Also matched with the news which we will have next week. Some bearish news I expecting. So we could go as low as 16,917k, and if we are going so low, then we will have also, like I told you the whole time before. Bляха мать, wait a minute, I have to. This one is too big here. Wait a minute. Сука, блять. Твою мать, блять. It's too. What is this, блять? Wait a minute, 1 second. I have to remove this everything. Okay, now, okay, yes. You see, this is also the bullish divergence, which I'm speaking of. RSI would go even lower. I mean, we have already a bullish divergence on the daily, but if we are going here to the monthly support to 70k, we would see still the price would go up and the RSI would go down. So this would perfect bullish divergence, which would indicate that we see here a bounce on this monthly support and then see bounce to the upside again. This is what I'm watching for, bratans, not a financial advice. Do your own research. I'm very happy that USDC is as expected, as I showed you video today, recovering, and I set a limit order to $1 again to change my USDC to USD back to $1 just to be on the safe side. Yes, this is what I'm doing right now with my USDCs, and congratulations also, by the way, we made I personally made only through swapping my USDT to USDC with this pump when I wrote you in the Telegram group over around 100k. This is amazing, bratans. And what's happening here with Ethereum we're expecting also further to go down, as also we have here Ethereum formed a double top here, and the price target of this double top is approximately, the technical price target is 1,278. This was the reason why I sold Ethereum here at around this level, 1,580, and I will buy back at this level 1,300, and hopefully we will see even Ethereum going down to $640. This is the major support line. It was previous a resistance line. You see it based on the past was a massive resistance line, and we broke it here again to the upside. It will turn into massive support line. If we're going $640, it would be amazing. I will buy even more Ethereum. And by the way, a lot of people asking what is happening here with FXS dumping, obviously dumping to our here support line, which previous was a resistance line also, and we bought at $6 and we reached our price target $14 here. Amazing. I didn't sold any of FXS. I buying even more the whole time we are going down. I'm buying more FXS, and FXS got hit hard. Why? Because FXS is very connected to USDC also. This is one of the reasons, but we see also here as USDC recovering, FXS recovering. Even if we are dumping here more, I will buy even more FXS. I bought it here at $7 again. And yes, hopefully we're dumping here more that I can buy it back. And also AGX, one of our AI coins, is dumping here. And it's amazing. We see here this dump. We could dump as low as $19 or no, $18, 18 cents. I will buy also here more back because I'm expecting 2024, 2025. This will go to $1, $2, and FXS I expecting to go to FXS to $100. Right now it's $7. Not a financial advice, bratans. Please do your own research always. Not a financial advice. Again, you have to do your own decisions. I'm watching long-term 2024, 2025, and this is the reason why I'm buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, FXS, AGX. Do your own research, but if you want to see when I'm buying new coins, or altcoins, when I do jumping into long or into short. I show you everything in the Telegram group, which is absolutely for free. How to join this Telegram group, bratans. Link in the description. Make a registration on Bybit, 10 seconds, deposit $500 on your Bybit account, another 10 seconds, you get free access to my Discord, Telegram channel. You don't want to miss out. For example, like today with Usdc, when I told you I converting it, to all the people who not just followed it but saw the signal from me, did their own research and made also amazing profits. Congratulations, you can join this group for free also if you want it. And if you have any questions, bratan, write me in the Telegram group. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.